What's up, YouTube? Another install video for you here. Today on the Gladiator we're putting Sumo springs in. Help haul the camper. So this is a very simple install. They literally just pop right out. The original bump stops, the factory ones, and then these pop right in the cups. So there's no real tools required. Just a screwdriver or something to pry with is all you really need. It should greatly help support the camper. I have a 30-foot, 6,000 pound camper, so I just recently put a skyjacker lift on, 3.5 inch in the rear, 4.5 inch up front. So the factory bump stops no longer work. I did not buy the the bump stop extension kits for the rear because I knew I wanted to do these Sumo springs, and I wanted to put them on first to see how far they got down to the axle, because I still want some flex and some movement, and then we'll see how it rides and how it holds the camper. So let's put these in and see what they look like. So this is what comes in the kit. Obviously you have your Sumo springs. You get two, obviously, instructions, and then of course stickers. But these are a microcellular foam, I guess you'd call it. It is a little bit flexible but very firm. They do come in 3 different sturdiness ratings. They are for your application though, so for the back of this Gladiator, for the rear, you only get this. But they come in 3 different colors: blue, black, and yellow. Blue is the lightest, then black, and then yellow. A lot of times you'll see yellow in the front for supporting like snowplows and stuff, and in the rear of larger trucks. But in this truck all you need is a black one. But these just pop in. I already have one of the factory ones pulled out so you can see the difference between them height-wise. So it's going to get us a lot closer, and then these factory ones just aren't as sturdy. Obviously they're hollow. These are much more sturdy, so let's get one popped in and see what they look like. Okay, so we got one in. You literally just grab it, push, twist, wiggle back and forth, whatever you gotta do, and it pops right into place. Just gotta make sure it seats. There's a little notch there, just make sure it seats above that notch. But I don't know what that is, 3-4 inches or so before it hits the stop. Probably still a little bit too much, but we'll haul the camper a little bit around next trip we take and see how it does. This will still give me a little bit of flex off-road. Let's grab the other one out and I'll show you the whole process. So we're going to try to do this one one-handed. Do the camera in one hand and the screwdriver in the other. So I just have a big screwdriver, flathead obviously. You just stick it up in there and pry down on it. Give it a couple pries and it should pop out of there. Get it wedged up in there real good. Okay, one-handed's proving to be difficult, so I set it up there on the track bar. Get in there. There it goes. Yeah. Alright, let's grab the new one, pop it in. Alright, got our new one. Obviously this end goes in. Hopefully it goes in easier than it came out. Give her a little twist, a little rock back and forth. You can feel it pop into place there. A couple jiggles. That should be it. one's ready to go too. Simple install. Well guys, that was it. Super simple install. Hopefully the Gladiator's ready to haul the camper now. Get those factory bump stops out of there, get more support in the back end. So we'll be able to haul our big camper. It's sitting right over here. There's the camper. Hopefully we'll be able to haul that a little better. So don't forget to like, subscribe, follow. We'll get some more videos going. Maybe some videos hauling the camper. But Sumo Springs, great product, simple install. And don't forget to follow for some more. Thanks guys. Okay guys, so the last step, put your stickers on. Not only do stickers add power, but it just lets everybody know what products you're running, in case you're just walking through the parking lot, even at the local mall, where you just got done crawling some curbs, you know. If they see something they like, they can look at the sticker. If they don't know what it is, you just, I don't know, just look at your sticker, see what products you got. Might be something they like. It's cool that they got inspiration from you, and then obviously it helps out the manufacturers. So don't forget to put your stickers on, or you know, advertise wherever you can. But I just like to put them on the window. It's pretty cool. So as always, don't forget to like, subscribe, hit the notification button, and I'll get much more content on there for you guys. Thanks.